this dance tutorial, we will break down the Fortnite Orange Justice emote. We begin by focusing on the lower body. First, practice bouncing your knees to the beat. As you practice, don't keep your heels on the ground. Lift your heels off the ground so you practice carrying your weight over the balls of your feet. Next, shift your weight side to side. Now pivot your feet so you can collapse your knees to the side that you shifted to. Practice this without music until you feel comfortable. Then try it with music. Pause this video if you're not ready, but if you are, let's practice just the lower body with music for 4 8 counts. How did you do? It's okay to rewind and practice the lower body until you're comfortable. If you're ready to continue, let's focus on the upper body. Take a look at the slow motion clip. I'm basically rotating my hands. Start with the palms facing up. Rotate his palm down and rotate it back up. Palm down, palm up. Now we are going to memorize a simple pattern using 1 8 count. On 1, when you flip your palms down, you will cross your arms. On 2, flip your palms up and open your arms. On 3, flip your palms down and thumbs down while keeping your arms apart and open. On 4, flip your palms up and keep the arms apart. Okay, let's do a quick review. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. Cross your arms on the 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross on the 5, open on the 6, twirl on the 7. We're going to slow this down and pay close attention. On the 7, the palm ends up facing up. Now twirl back and we finish on the 8. Now let's put it all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, twirl on the 7, back on the 8. Let's go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause and rewind if you need more practice. If you got it, let's try just the arms with music for 4 8 counts. Now, it's time to put both the upper body and the lower body together. We're going to try this at half speed first to build muscle memory. Now let's try this at original speed of the music for 4 8 counts. If you mess up, just keep trying. You will get this with enough practice. Remember to have fun. Thank you for watching. Comment below if you have questions. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe if you hadn't already. And I'll see you in the next video.